The 2007 Azera, the perfect combination of comfort and convenience. The Hyundai Azera is roomy, refined, and loaded with standard features. The Azera's quiet confidence proves that performance is another form of luxury. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, driver airbag, power steering, air conditioning, front, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, premium sound system, climate control, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, fog lights, bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.